Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video explains how to create a studio background using CapCut in your mobile phone. If you want to create an amazing background like this using your mobile phone, remember to subscribe, don't forget to like and share this video. So this is just a preview of the video I created using my mobile phone. So let's go before I will show you the process. So now you can actually create something like this using your mobile phone. I will be walking you step by step. So this is a video I recorded normally without using a studio background. So now let's head to our CapCut. Let me show you the processes on how to create an amazing studio background with such video. In order to create an amazing YouTube background using your mobile phone, the first step is to head to your browser and you now search for freepik.com. So now this is my browser. When you get to your browser, you search for Freepik at this point. Then you now search for study room as the case may be. So once you search for study room, you see a list of images you will download. So at this point, you can either search for study room or YouTube studio. So now once you download a study room background or YouTube studio, you now head to your CapCut. You click on your CapCut. Now we're going to start this project from the beginning, so we close the app. So now once you close the, you now click on new project. So now once you click on new project, you click on photos. You will now navigate to some of the images you've already downloaded from your Freepik. Now here is an image I downloaded from Freepik, so I'll click on it. Then I will now click on add. So you allow it to load. So now once you now load it to your work surface, you now at this point you will now increase the duration of the image. Once you click the image, you now drag it to increase the duration. So if you're now okay with the duration, at this point you now click on overlay. You now click on add overlay. You now proceed to your videos. This option here, this is the video I recorded directly using my mobile phone with a plain background, so I will now tap on it. So now this is the video. You now click on add. Now once you succeed in adding the image to your mobile phone, at this point you now scroll to remove background. So at this point you now scroll to an option, remove background, remove BG. So you tap on it. Then you now see the first option, which is auto remover. Then you now click on it. So now once you started removing the background, you now click on OK. You can now preview your video to see. Now you succeeded in removing the background. So now from the first illustration, if you want to increase the duration of your background to cut across the video, you tap on the image and you now add it. So we're on the same page right now. So you now preview to see. So now at this point, once you're done doing that, you can as well add an effect to your video to at least reduce the opacity of the background. So if you want to do that, you click on effect. So if you want to do that, you click on effect. You now click on video effect. So at this point, once you click on video effect, you now click on blur. You scroll down, you see that you search for it, or you now scroll down to look for blur. This is a blur effect. So you can see already succeeded in reducing the sharpness of the background. So at this point, we are going to reduce the opacity by clicking adjust to reduce the opacity of the background. So you can play around with it if you want to turn off the background, or if you want to reduce to an extent. So now once you're done with that, you now click on this, you click on the effect, and you now drag it across the video. Then you now preview to see. So if you now click at this point to export. So remember to subscribe, don't forget to like and share if this video is helpful to you. Thank you.